This is from Says Lady, one of their new products, the Airy Fresh Lasting Water Tint Lipstick. And it is not just a tint, it is not just a lip gloss, it is also a lipstick. So, 3-in-1 na siya. This is the actual product. This is kinda new because when you open the product, it has like a technique. So, for the product to come out, you must click this lippy 2 times. Ayun, lumabas na siya. Oh, let's apply it on my lips. I love it because it just, it will just take 2 clicks for the product to come out. Let's try to wipe it off. And yes, it leaves stains. Look at that. Oh, I love that. So whenever you're eating, of course, ang gloss matatanggal because it's a gloss. But the stain, it's giving. It stays. I just finalized my look, and after 15